It was hot and it was humid on this Sunday afternoon. We got up to 89 degrees and then the rain finally arrived, but not for everybody. Notice that a lot of the action stayed to the west of the city today, so a lot of that firing up. We did see a few showers to the east of I-4, but the majority of the activity that lingers this evening is closer to I-75 and of course the Gulf Coast. But as we head into the rest of tonight, we will have the potential to see a few more showers for Osceola and Brevard County. I think a lot of the action is going to stay south of Orlando for tonight. We can't rule out maybe a few sprinkles, but for the majority of the night, we're looking at about 9 or 10 o'clock. A lot of that rain staying to the south and then clearing out fairly quickly after sunset. The later it gets, the clearer the skies will get. So we will have a few clouds around, but for the most part, mostly clear skies. As we start the day tomorrow, a few little passing showers are definitely expected, which I'll show you that in just a moment. Small craft advisories continue this evening going into tomorrow. So it's all because of the wind, folks. We're going to have that north wind pretty strong, gusting up near 30 knots. Seas will average about 5 to 6 feet, and it's going to be choppy ride there on the intracoastal. Keep in mind, we still have high rip current risks in place all up and down the coastline, okay? So you really need to check the water before you enter. Those currents are going to be very, very dangerous, and with the waves crashing at between about 5 and 6 feet there at the surf, it could definitely knock you off your feet and then carry you out very swiftly. Looking at the coastal hazards right now, though, we have small craft advisories that will continue, but we also have coastal flood advisories that also continue through at least Tuesday morning, folks. So during times of high tide, we will see the tides about 2 feet above average running up into the dunes, causing some minor flooding. Looking ahead into Monday morning, notice that we start off with maybe a few isolated sprinkles near the coastline of Volusia and Flagler. Throughout the morning, though, we're not talking about widespread rain. We are talking about a few sprinkles here and there, even at noon. Hard to find where that rain is, right? So we're not talking about a bunch of widespread coverage of rain. We're looking at the second half of the day drying out and heating up, and it's still going to be windy at least through early Tuesday morning. Looking at the car wash outlook, though, we're talking about a 20% coverage of rain Monday through Wednesday. So I would say go ahead and get that car washed. You'll get your bang for your buck there for sure, because by the end of the work week, the rain chances definitely are going back up. Your overnight lows, mid to upper 60s across Marion and northern Lake and Sumter counties, but low to mid 70s pretty much everywhere else. Here's a look at tomorrow. Your high temperature will rebound to 87 degrees once we get rid of a few passing showers and the clouds that go with it. And then as we head into the upcoming week, you'll notice by midweek we're back to 91. Definitely some steamy days ahead, but the rain coverage comes back to 50% by Friday. High temperatures still right around 90 degrees. That's your Pinpoint Accurate forecast.